Is eToro good for day trading in 2025 is a question many traders are asking as they consider their trading options. To answer this question, we need to look at the key features and tools that eToro offers to its users. eToro is a well-established online trading platform that allows users to trade a wide range of financial instruments including stocks, commodities, currencies and more. One of the key features of eToro is its user-friendly interface, which makes it easy for new traders to navigate and start trading quickly. eToro also offers a range of trading tools and indicators that can be used to analyze markets and make informed trading decisions. Additionally, eToro offers a social trading feature that allows users to follow and copy the trades of other successful traders. When it comes to day trading, eToro offers a number of benefits including low fees and tight spreads, which can help to reduce trading costs. eToro also offers a range of leverage options which can be used to increase potential gains but also increase potential losses. It is essential for traders to understand the risks involved with day trading and to use risk management strategies to protect their capital. To get started with day trading on eToro, traders will need to open an account and deposit funds. They can then access the trading platform and start trading using the range of tools and features available. It is also important for traders to stay up to date with market news and analysis to make informed trading decisions. In conclusion, eToro can be a good option for day traders in 2025 due to its user-friendly interface, range of trading tools and low fees. However, it is essential for traders to understand the risks involved with day trading and to use risk management strategies to protect their capital. By following best practices and staying informed, traders can use eToro to achieve their trading goals.